Hi viewers, this is Saish from the Department Assistant Professor National Engineering College. Today we are discussing about the topic is organization. So let us see what is the meaning of organization. An organization is a collection of people working together in a coordinated and structured fashion to achieve one or more goals. It is a system of consciously coordinated activities or goals of two or more persons. As per the Chester diagram, organization is a system of consciously coordinated activities or goals of two or more persons. Next one, importance and significance of organization. Benefits in specialization, role clarity, optimum utilization of resources, coordination and effective administration, adoption to change, expansion and growth. Let us see what are the principles of organization. First one, principle of unity of objectives. When there is a coordinated contradiction among the different level of goals, desired goals can be achieved. Next one, principle of specialization. An employee needs a special type of knowledge and skills in any area. It is known as specialization. Next one, principle of coordination. Coordination can be contained by a group that emphasizes the unity of action. Next one, principle of authority. Authority is the kind of right and power through which it guides and directs the action of others so that their organizational goals can be achieved. Next one, principle of responsibility. Only authority is not provided to the people, but obligation is also provided. So the obligation to perform the duties and tasks is known as responsibility. Next one, principle of delegation. Process of transferring authority and creation of responsibility between the superior and subordinates to accomplish a certain task is called delegation of authority. Next one, principle of efficiency. When the organization fulfill the objectives with minimum cost, it is effective. Next one, principle of unity of command. Subordinates should receive the orders from single superior at that time, and also subordinates should be accountable to their superior. Next one, principle of span of control. The principle does helps to determine numerical limit if subordinates to be supervised by a manager. Next one, principle of balance. The functional activities, their establishment and other performances should be balanced properly. Next one, principle of communication. Communication is the process of transformation of information from one person to another of different levels. Principle of personal ability. For an organization, human resources is important. Mainly training and development programs must be encouraged to develop the skills in the employees. Next one, principle of flexibility. Organizational structure must be flexible considering the environmental dynamism. Sometimes dramatically change may occur in the organization and that condition organization should be ready to accept that change. Next one, principle of simplicity. The structure of organization should be simple with minimum number of levels. Do that each member and understand the duties and responsibilities. Next one, types of organization. The first one is formal organization. The formal organization is a goal-oriented entity that exists to regulate the efforts of individuals and it refers to the structure of jobs, positions with clearly defined functions, responsibilities, and authorities. According to the Chester Bernard, formal organization is a system of consciously coordinated activities of two or more persons toward a common objective. Next one, characteristics of formal organization. First one, well-defined rules and regulations. Second one, arbitrary structures. Third one, determined objectives and policies. Fourth one, limitations and activities of the individual. Fifth one, strict observance of the principle of coordination. Sixth one, messages are communicated through vertical chain. Next one, limitations of formal organization. The limited flexibility, slowness of processing, communication barrier, quality of creation, slowness in problem detection and processing. Next one, informal organization. The informal organization is the interlocking social structure that governs how people work together in practice. It is the aggregate of behaviors, interactions, norms, people, personal and professional connections through which work gets done and relationships are built among the people who share a common organizational affiliation or cluster of affiliation. According to Kate Davis, informal organization is a network of interpersonal relationships that arise when people associate with one another. Let us see what are the benefits of informal organization. Work group satisfaction, lighter workload for management, practice better total system, a safety value for emotions, fill up the gaps, channel of employee communication, encourage improved management. What are the problems associated with informal organization? Resistance to change, role conflict, rumor, conformity, underdetermining the discipline, power politics, interpersonal and intergroup conflicts. Let us see what are the differences between the formal and informal organizations. Point of comparison, formal organization, informal organization. The first one is origin, created deliberately and varies spontaneously. Nature, planned and official, unplanned and unofficial. Size, large, small. Continuity, stable, unstable and dynamic. Focus, built around jobs, built around people and their roles. Goals, profit and service to the society. Satisfaction of members. Influence process, legitimate authority, power. Control process, rigid rules and regulations, group norms and values, communication, official and well-defined paths, one-way and slow flow of information, unspecific channels and two-way and fast flow of information, authority, positional flow, top to bottom, positional flow, bottom to top. So, as we discussed the above details, the organization must involve a group of people working together in the organizational goals in order to achieve the objectives and in order to achieve the profits of the organization.